Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Klaviyo email marketing platform, full guide step by step clearly. To install the Klaviyo email marketing platform, begin by navigating to the Klaviyo website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Fill out the required information in the registration form, including your email address and a secure password. After entering your details, click the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email from Klaviyo. Check your email inbox and find the confirmation email. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log in using the email and password you registered with. After logging in, you will be directed to the Klaviyo dashboard. If you have an existing e-commerce store, locate the integration settings in the dashboard. Choose the e-commerce platform you are using, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Follow the prompts to integrate your store with Klaviyo by entering the necessary API keys or permissions. Once the integration is successful, you can start importing your contacts into Klaviyo. Navigate to the Lists and Segments tab in the dashboard. Click on the Create List button to start building your email list. Select the option to import existing contacts if you have them, or add contacts manually. After your contacts are imported, set up your email templates. Go to the Email Templates section and click on Create Template. Choose a template that fits your brand and customize it with your content. Next, navigate to the Campaigns tab to create your first email campaign. Click on the Create Campaign button and select your email list as the recipient. Compose your email and review it for any errors. Schedule the campaign or send it immediately based on your preference. Monitor the performance of your emails in the Analytics section. Review open rates, click rates, and other metrics to optimize future campaigns. Explore additional features like automated flows, A/B testing, and segmentation to enhance your email marketing strategy. Familiarize yourself with Klaviyo's resources, such as tutorials and support, to make the most of the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.